Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can reset pairing status from Lens Studio on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, select the gear button. Now, scroll until you can view the Lens Studio option. Once you do, tap on it and select the Tap to Reset button. Now, confirm your action by tapping on the Unpair. And that's it. All of the data of Lens Studio has been cleared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.